From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dealing with a broken remote control for your adjustable bed base? Well, I've got the solution for you. The new replacement remote control compatible from Zyme is here to save the day. This smart tech device is a game changer, with perfect compatibility for adjustable bed base JLDK.27.10.06 RF258GA Essentials 4 and V. You'll be sleeping like a baby in no time. The easy setup process is a breeze. Just start the massage bed, point the remote control at the control box, press the pair button and hold for 30 seconds, you'll hear a slight click and feel the remote vibrate in your hand, and you're all set. The package comes with a brand new replacement remote control, and while batteries are not included, the texture of the remote is smooth to the touch and the buttons have a nice tactile feel. This product is well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and loved it, and it's easy to see why. The top-rated features and benefits make it a must-have for anyone with an adjustable bed base. You can use it to adjust the bed to your desired position, turn on the massage function, and even control the lighting. The sound of the massage is soothing and the feel of the bed adjusting is smooth. It's so much better than other remotes on the market, which can be clunky and hard to use. This one is sleek and intuitive. Whether you're looking to replace a broken remote or just want a spare, this is the perfect solution, and with the great customer service from Zyme, you can trust that you're in good hands. So why wait? Get your new replacement remote control compatible from Zyme today and start sleeping better tonight. You won't regret it. It's a great investment for a good night's sleep. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.